Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 8, your chapter number 4 more on Photoshop CS3. Then student, last class we completed this topic clone stamp tool. Using clone stamp tool recreate an image and pattern stamp tool etc. all this topic. So student, now today we are going to start a new topic in Flash, Adobe Flash, working with text and all this wrapping text, applying filters etc. So let's start this topic students. So student, first is working with text. So now working with text student, introduction to working with text Photoshop. So the type tool allow you to type text either horizontally or vertically in the image form. So the text type using the tool is added into a separate layer is known as a type layer. So next, adding and positioning the text. So we can add text to an image and move the inserted text to place it anywhere in the image by using, first of all, you will open the image and right click on the type tool in the tools panel. Then from the submenu that appears, select the kind of type tool you want to use. Then select the font type, color, size and so on from the options bar. After click anywhere on the image, a cursor will appear. Then type the required text at the cursor position. You can select and manipulate the type text exactly way you do in a word processor. After step to move the text to a required place, then click on the type layer in the layers panel. After click on the move tool in the tools panel and click on the return text. So drag it to the desired place and release the mouse button. So it's all of you how to write a properly working with text in introduction in a Photoshop. Okay. So next student, wrapping text. Wrapping text student, wrapping is used to position the letters or text in different shapes. So first of all, select the type tool and type the required text in the image. Then student, select the text and click on the create wrap text option on the options bar. After wrap text dialog box appear and click on the drop down arrow of the style option and select the required style. After, you can also change band, horizontal, vertical distortion settings in the dialog box. And last, click on OK to apply the chosen wrap style to the text. So first is the normal text, next wrap text. Next, applying filters. So the filter menu of Photoshop contains a number of options using which we can give special effects to our images to make them visually more appealing. So let us open the image in Photoshop and apply a filter on it such that it appears to be printed over a wrap of plastic cover. So first of all, open the image and open the filter menu and point to artistic filter category. Then from the artistic submenu, select the plastic wrap option. Second, in the plastic wrap dialog box, set the highlight strength, detail and smoothen for the filter effect and required and click on the OK button. The filter will get applied to the image. So it's applying of filters. Now you can see applying Liquify Filter. So using the Liquify Filter, we can give many amazing effects to our images. So Liquify Filter on a sample image to get an idea of how we can use these features. First of all, open the required image to which you want to apply Liquify effect. Then click on Filter, Liquify to open the Liquify dialog box. Then select a desired tool relating to the effect you want to apply to the image. Then select a brush size and press it. After, drag the tool pointer over the required portion of the image to apply the Liquify filter. Then last, click on the OK button student. The Liquify filter effect will be applied to the image. So two types of picture here. First, image opened in the Liquify dialog. After, apply the filter, apply to the image. Okay students, so this is the Liquify filter. Now student, just see a worksheet number. First, fill in the blanks part. So first, to apply an artist's filter effect on an image, select the artist's option from the filter menu. So it's a filter. After, to rotate an image, select the option dash from the edit menu. It's a free transform. After, third, the dash tool help to write text from top to bottom. It's a vertical type. Then the dash are the like transparent sheet holding different elements of an image. It's layers. Fifth, the dash tool is used to lighten an area of an image. Dodge. Sixth is the dash tool is used to darken the image area burn. Last, the dash tool allow you to draw copies of a portion of an image in the same or different image like file, clone, stamp. Okay. Now students, see next worksheet number 4. So answer the following question. Just tell this all this answer. Name the any two filter categories in the filter menu. So it's the artistic and blur. Second, which tool allow you to type text in an image? Type tool. Third, which tool is used to deleting images based on similar color pixels? So is a magic eraser tool. Then student, which tool allow you to heal small areas in an image without erasing sample pixel? Is a healing brush tool. Fifth, what does the patch tool help you to do? So the patch tool helps us to repair a selected area with a pixel from another or pattern. Now let's discuss worksheet number 5. Answer the following question in 2 and 3 sentences. First is, what is layer? Write the steps to select a layer in Photoshop. So a layer is a transparent sheet that contains a part of an image. Several layers are stacked over one another to make up the complete image. So follow these steps to select a layer. First, click on the window menu and select layer option from the drop down list to display the layers platted on the screen. Then click on the icon of the image in the layers platted to select the layer, and the layer will get selected and its name will appear on the title bar. Second, what is the background layer? What is it important? So the lowermost layer on the layers plat is known as the background layer, and after it is the layer on which other images are placed to make a collage. Now next, write the steps to rename a layer. So follow these steps to rename a layer. Double click on the layer name in the layer platted, then the layer name will get highlighted. Second, type the new name and press the enter key. The layer will get renamed. Fourth is here, what are the dodge and burn tools? How they are related to the sponge tool. So dodge, burn and sponge tools are the retouching tools. So the dodge tool is used to lighten the area of the image, then burn tool is used to darken the area of the image. The sponge tool is used to saturate or desaturate the image colors. So the sponge tool has two modes, saturate and desaturate mode. So saturate mode increase the color density and making them brighter. The desaturate mode dulls the colored stroke made by the brush tool will be completely transparent. Now check fifth question, what will happen if the opacity value of the brush tool is capped at 0%? So when the opacity value of the brush tool is capped at 0%, the color stroke made the brush tool will be completely transparent. And last is sixth here, what is a healing brush tool and what does it help you to do? Now healing brush tool is a type of retouching tools. It is used to repair the defected or flawed area in an image and with the sample picture, and it matches the texture, lighting, transparency and shading of the sample pictures to give us the best result in repairing the flawed areas. So students, just completed all this exercise worksheet in your notebook and go through previous topic and revise all this topic students. Okay, class 8.